Dogs are people too.
Dogs are people too.
Dogs are people too. We treat dogs better than people. It's a fact.
Dogs are people too.
Dogs are people too.
Dogs are people too.
We treat dogs better than people. It's a fact.
All right, see ya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. That's how you do it. First try. Today on Tape Measure Pencil Knife, we're finishing that house that I started in the last video, Day of the Doors. This one is Coffered Ceiling Day. Day of the Coffered Ceiling. We're gonna finish up this house today. We did everything else. We did 2 pantries, a mudroom, bench area. Let me go slower so I can show you these things. We did these 2 pantries, this one and this one. We did a mudroom area, like a bench with these cubbies below. Yep. Oh wait, we haven't done that yet. What am I thinking? It's too early. We did a master closet, shelving. And you just have to imagine in these sections, like this section will have a bar across there to hang clothes. And these double sections will have 2 bars. And then the shelves are self-explanatory. That's where you put things on the shelves. And then we did a staircase, oak staircase, continuous handrail goes around this corner here. Yep. A mantle, a beautiful mantle. Some built-in, what are those? Just a built-in sets of shelves on either side of the mantle. I should have got more coffee today. This little guy, I'm afraid, is not gonna do the trick. Okay, that's enough. That's enough talking about it. You gotta be about it. I don't know why I get like this when I turn the camera on. Okay, let's build a coffered ceiling, have a nice short day, because coffered ceilings don't take long at all. Although I did forget, just now remembering right now, I was too excited about filming. I did forget to get the scaffolding. So let me disconnect the trailer and go back home and get my scaffolding, because I don't really build coffered ceilings anymore without scaffolding on wheels. Makes things go a lot faster. Okay, disconnect the trailer, go back home, get the scaffolding, come back to work, build the coffered ceiling. Ready, set, let's go. 44 and 13, 44 and 13, 44 and 13, 44 and 13, 44 and 13. Fresh delivery. this thing doesn't seal very well while I'm wearing glasses. And I think it bent my glasses. Kevin just reminded me that when we do this window, it's gonna get a topper that will get into the crown. Like this topper here, but on that window, the top of that window is gonna notch around the coffered ceiling a little bit, kind of like this. This is another house where we had to do a little notch around the coffered ceiling. It looks really cool after it's painted. It kind of ties the whole room together. The window into the coffered ceiling, down into the window. Anyway, just a little something to stop us from completing this house completely. Well, that's all for today. The coffered ceiling is complete. Kevin finished the mudroom cubbies, the lower cubbies, just lower cubbies this time. No top cubbies. But that's all for today's vlog. Just about 99% of a coffered ceiling. Those other two boxes, number 8 and number 9, we'll have to do the crown mold on those another day. Okay. Don't forget, if I can do it, you can do it. And there's no coffered ceiling that's too low for a coffered ceiling, or too high, or too small. This way. Just shrink it down. You don't have to do 2x8s. You can do 2x4s and 1x4s on the sides, and then a slide of 1x4 up inside of it. Tiny little coffered ceiling. And then you can do like hashtag times 4 or 8. Go nuts with your coffered ceiling. Do as many boxes as you want. It's your coffered ceiling. Do so many that people walk in and go, why did you do that many? Or don't do a coffered ceiling. I don't know how many times I've already tried this sign off. So now I'm just gonna say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I wouldn't forget you. I wouldn't leave you back here.